Welcome to the part 2 video of image processing with OpenCV and Python. In this video, I shall be showing you how to convert an RGB image into a grayscale and how to save this file back into the file system. So I'll be importing your OpenCV package here. So I'll be using import, and we know that CV2 is the OpenCV package that what we have in the Python. And I'm going to take a variable called as an image and img, where I'm going to make use of imread to read the image. So we know that imread is a inbuilt function that helps to read an image. Now I'm going to specify the file name here. The file name is image 1.jpg. So that's what I'm going to use it. Once I read this image, I'm going to display that on a window. So to display that, I'll be using cv2.imshow, where this imshow will display the image window by specifying the window name here. And I'll specify the window name as image, followed by the variable name, that is img. So this has to be displayed on the window, and I have to wait or sustain that window for 5 milliseconds. So I'll be using wait key by specifying the delay of 5000 in terms of a milliseconds, that is 5 seconds. I will sustain my image window for 5 seconds, and then I will be closing it. Use cv2 dot. To close this, I'll be using destroy all windows. So this is going to close my image window after 5 seconds. So once this has been done, I'll be taking one more variable here, that is img1, and read your image, read your RGB image in terms of a grayscale. So to read, again, we know that we have imread is an inbuilt function, and specify the file name, which is image1. And now to read my image, color image into a grayscale, we do have a flag here, and the flag is specified with cv2 dot imread grayscale. So now this will help you. This particular flag will help to read our RGB image in terms of a grayscale. And now I'll be displaying that grayscale image onto the image window. So what I do, I'll use cv2 dot, I have an inbuilt function to display my image window, that is imshow. Specify the window name. I'll be specifying the window name as gray image, followed by the variable name. The variable name that what I have given is image1 here, and sustain this grayscale image window for 5 seconds. So I'll be using cv2 dot wait key and specify the delay as 5000, which is 5000 milliseconds. Then once you do it, you can close the window after 5 seconds, that is cv2 dot, I'll be using destroy all windows. So once we have completed with this, what am I going to do is I'm going to save this grayscale image back into the file system. So I will take a variable called as a status here. Status is equals to, I will use cv2, and I have an inbuilt function which will help me to store my saved file into the file system, that is imwrite, followed by the file name. Specify a file name. I'll give this file name as gray image img dot, and specify the extension name here, followed by the variable name, that is img1. So finally, I will display as a message on the screen that if it is successfully saved, so the status will be remained as true. If the image is not saved properly into the file system, then it gives the status as false. So I'll be making it as image written to file system. So now what I do, I will specify the status here. The status will tell me the truth value, whether your file is being successfully saved or not. So before I run the program here, I have two parts. One is to read a color image and to display it on the image window for 5 seconds and close it, and read the same color image and convert that into a grayscale, and then you display the same grayscale image for 5 seconds and close it. Once the image is being closed, now that will be saved back onto your file system in the name of gray image. So I'll run this here. So my program is completed. Here we go. We'll just run the program here. I'll click on this. So it may take few seconds to run your program. Depends upon the speed of your system. So we have to wait for the proper output. So the first time what it does is it is going to display a color image and sustains the image for 5 seconds. So here we have that window. Now this is your color photo, which is for 5 seconds. This will be sustained for the 5 seconds. Now it closes automatically and displays a grayscale image for the 5 seconds and automatically closes it. And now you can notice an image returned to the file system is successful, and it represents the status as true. Now you can see that here we have an image one, which is in terms of a color image. And here you can see that the grayscale image is being saved here. So this is the grayscale image. So a color image has been now converted and stored back to into your file system. This is how you convert a RGB image into a grayscale format. In the next video, I'll be showing you more operations on image processing with OpenCV and Python. Thank you.